Much emphasis was placed on how the private sector can get more involved through transparent partnerships with relevant stakeholders. In the PNG context, Oil Search in particular was cited as an example and commended for its efforts to combat HIV and AIDS.
Sharon Lewin, Jan Beadle, the CEO of Global Fund, all preaching the model that Oil Search's private-public partnership with the government in PNG is one that people should look at.
The work in PNG, and in particular with Oil Search and the public-private partnership, offers some insights into potential models, or successful models that can work in countries that are growing rapidly in wealth.
Deputy Executive Director of UNAIDS, Jan Beagle, echoed the same sentiments while describing the significance of the work of Oil Search in PNG.
Well, I think they're extremely important, and particularly in terms of providing leadership in bringing services to communities that are not necessarily so well served, to populations that are very vulnerable. And so what Oil Search is doing, for example, in the Hela province is something that's extremely important, bringing communities into the limelight, bringing communities that are often, as we say, left behind, bringing services to them. So I think they're extremely important.
Although solutions are different around the world, the involvement of the private sector usually has tangible results. The learning experiences and expertise that Oil Search has in dealing with remote local communities within their operating sites in PNG influences successful outcomes in its public-private partnership.
And I think, from the lessons that we've learned in terms of, partnering with the public sector in delivering some of those services to the communities, I think we want to bring that experience, partner with the public sector to deliver. Because I think ultimately, at the end of the day, we all want to achieve in terms of, bringing the services to the community.
Health and HIV and AIDS Minister Michael Malabag expressed his gratitude for Oil Search's efforts in fighting HIV in PNG, as well as its participation in the conference.
For me, especially to come over here for the 2014 AIDS conference over here, and to witness such a Oil Search stall over here, especially this exhibition itself, it means a lot. And it clearly shows that we are doing something for our people in Papua New Guinea.